Hey guys, I'm Liv. I'm a nutritionist, foodie, yogi, and I'm here on Monday Harvest to do a healthy gut series. Today we're making a hot collagen cacao. So it's kind of like a hot chocolate, but we've got cacao, cinnamon, cacao butter, collagen, coconut butter, which is my favorite food, and we're gonna blend it up so it's hot and frothy. Let's get into it. So collagen is actually the most abundant protein in the human body. It's used in a lot of structures, so hair, skin, nails, but also importantly, the lining of the gut, which as I said before, has got to be in really good shape so you can absorb all your nutrients, keep out the bad stuff, and keep your gut microbes happy. So this recipe, you get to have a hot chocolate, you get to have it for breakfast, and you still get to be healthy. This is probably one of the easiest recipes you can make because there's only one step: chuck everything in the blender, blend, drink. So we've got some really good ingredients. We've got cacao powder, coconut butter, which is my favorite ingredient. It's literally just blended up coconut. Don't mean to brag, but I made this one myself. Collagen powder, which is our hero ingredient here because it's good for the gut. Cacao butter, just to make it extra chocolatey. And cinnamon, which is really good for stabilizing blood sugar. And it's naturally sweet. So not much method to this recipe. Basically, put everything in the blender and blend. So I'm going in with a tablespoon of cacao, which is what's going to make it chocolatey. Also gives you a little boost of energy, only a little bit of caffeine, so it's kind of good if you're not having coffee. Then I've got the collagen, which is about a tablespoon in there, the cacao butter, the cinnamon, and my favorite ingredient, coconut butter. So I'm going to put quite a lot in. It basically makes it super creamy because we're not using any milk. All we're using is hot water. So you can see how melty it is. Coconut oil is just sort of the fat that's been removed from it, whereas coconut butter is just dried coconut blended up. So it makes it creamier. And if your coconut butter is really hard, because it does go hard depending on the weather, just submerge it in like a big bowl of hot water and that will soften it and make it droopy like this. All right, and then the hot water goes in, and then lid on and blend it up. All right. Now I just get your nice little cup and we're gonna pour it in. Yes. Right, so that's it. Now you may notice I didn't put any kind of sweetener in it. I prefer to sweeten with natural ingredients like coconut, cacao, cinnamon. That's sweet enough for me. If you wanted to sweeten it, spoonful of raw honey will be perfect. Chocolatey, collagen rich, good for the gut, great breakfast, yum. Oh, it's so rich, I love it.